We're talking about glow plugs today, pre-treating them. Before I will even try to take them out, I'm going to pre-treat them 5 days. 3 days might be enough, but 5 days is the target. PB Blaster penetrating catalyst, that is key. The straw really helps. And our glow plugs, follow this wire down. Right there's number 2. This wire takes us to number 1. Oh, and this can's running empty. There we go. So we're going to give it a little squirt. There's a wire here. Runs down. Kind of see it down here. There's number 4 and number 5. But don't worry about getting extra oil on stuff. It's not going to hurt a thing. Get that penetrating oil in there everywhere you can. All around the glow plugs. Now drive the van, do it again tomorrow, and drive the van 5 consecutive days, then those glow plugs will come out like butter.